Snakes. These creatures have long fascinated us. With their sleek bodies, slithering motions, and deadly precision, they seem almost mystical. But have you ever wondered, how exactly do they move? How do they navigate through the world without legs, wings, or fins? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of snake locomotion. Buckle up, because what we're about to uncover is even cooler than you might think. Section 1. The basics of snake movement. Snakes move by using their muscles and scales. They have no legs, no arms, not even a single appendage to help them get around. But don't be fooled. They're masters of movement, and they've got several tricks up their scaly sleeves. Snakes have specialized scales on their belly called ventral scales. These scales grip onto surfaces, providing traction. The muscles underneath these scales contract and relax in highly coordinated patterns to propel the snake forward. But here's the kicker. Snakes don't just move in one way. There are multiple unique methods they use to navigate different environments. Section 2. The different types of snake movement. Let's dive deeper into the 4 main types of movement that snakes use. Each of these methods is designed for a specific terrain or purpose. They've evolved to master these techniques, giving them an edge in survival. The first is serpentine locomotion, or more commonly known as slithering. This is the most well-known snake movement, and it's what you usually see when a snake is gliding across the ground. Here's how it works. The snake moves in a series of curved S-shaped patterns. The muscles in the snake's body contract in segments, pushing parts of the body sideways while other parts are held still. This back-and-forth movement allows the snake to push against the ground, enabling forward motion. Essentially, they're walking on their bellies. Section 3. Sidewinding. Now, let's take a look at one of the most unique and mind-blowing methods of snake movement. Sidewinding. Ever seen a snake move sideways like it's hopping across the sand? That's sidewinding in action. This technique is often used by desert-dwelling species, like the famous sidewinder rattlesnake. Sidewinding allows a snake to traverse loose, hot, and slippery surfaces like sand with minimal friction. The snake lifts parts of its body off the ground, moving in a diagonal pattern. Only a few points of contact are made with the ground at any given time, reducing the snake's contact with the searing hot sand. This helps them conserve energy and avoid overheating. It's like walking on hot coals, but doing it in the most efficient way possible. Section 4. Concertina Locomotion. Let's talk about concertina locomotion. This style is more commonly seen in confined spaces like burrows or branches. Imagine a snake moving like an accordion, stretching and contracting its body in a series of fluid movements. Here's how it works. The snake anchors its back end while it stretches its front half forward, then pulls the rear half toward the front. It's a process of stretch and contract. Think of it like a giant wave moving through the body. It's a powerful technique for navigating narrow spaces like tree trunks, tunnels, or rocky crevices. Section 5. Rectilinear Locomotion. This one might surprise you because it looks almost like a snake is crawling in a straight line. It's one of the slower, more deliberate forms of snake movement, but it's incredibly efficient. In rectilinear locomotion, the snake uses its belly muscles in a subtle, wave-like pattern that alternates between the front and back of its body. This technique is most often used by heavier, bulkier snakes like pythons or boas. It's a stealthy and energy-efficient movement, ideal for sneaking up on prey. Snakes move in different ways to survive in their environments. Desert snakes like sidewinders glide over hot sand, while jungle snakes use concertina motion to climb or push through dense areas. Each method fits their terrain, prey, and predators. Snake movement changes with the environment: concertina in forests, sidewinding in deserts, and undulation in water. Some aquatic snakes even use their tails to swim efficiently. Snake movement isn't random. It's a refined survival strategy shaped by millions of years. From land to water, they're built to adapt. Surprised? Drop a comment and subscribe for more wild facts.